Do I eat fried food? Yes, this is sweet potato. Fried po siya. At ang isang cup of fried potato is equivalent to 344 calories. So, if you're a female, you deduct it from the allowed 1,600 to 2,200 calories maximum of calories that you need to intake para po ikaw ay hindi sosobra, kasi ang sobra na kinakain po at hindi na expend ay hindi kayo pinagpapawisan, nagiging fat po yan na hindi na burn. So, you would ask me, Ma'am, ano po ba yung ginagamit mong oil? As I had been telling you in my other segments, huwag nyong gamitin ang olive oil pag fry kasi magiging poisonous po siya. Ang ginagamit po na recommended ng mga scientists in respect to is coconut oil ang gamitin nyo po. Like in my other dental care, I always say, when you buy in bulk para may mga discount ka, so you can save money. So coconut oil po, wag canola, kasi mas marami po siyang pinagbabawal pag canola ang oil mo. So you go for coconut oil, do the basic. So, ganyan po, 344 calories for a small cup of potato, sweet potato fries. Salamat sa pakikinig. I hope you learn. It's time for listening to my videos.